Can you see me? I'm hiding. Oh, you could see me all along. Oh well, no more messing around. Let's get on with the drawing. It's time to get arty. Ho-ho. Hi, Bunny.
Can we eat carrots together later?
I love carrots. Yeah,
Me too.
I figured.
All right, well, have a happy day.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy day. Coming up later, I'm going to sing a song. Yeah. All this art is making me tired. I think we should stop for a minute and sing a song. Are you ready? Here we go!
My nose is tickling, oh so light. It's like a feather taking flight. A little wiggle, a little tease. Oh no, I think I'm gonna sneeze. Is it the flowers? Is it the dust? Or is it just me losing my trust? Achoo! Here it comes, hold tight. Achoo! Bless me all night. I'm a sneezy breeze, a sniffling tease. Oh boy, I think I'm gonna sneeze. The band is swinging with a trumpet shout, but my nose wants to take the clout. I grab a hanky, drop to my knees. Oh no, I think I'm gonna sneeze. Snuffle shuffle, it's quite absurd. I sound like a sniffly bird. Don't you laugh, it's not a breeze. Oh boy, I think I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, achoo! Here it comes, hold tight. Achoo! Bless me all night. I'm a sneezy breeze, a sniffling tease. Oh boy, I think I'm gonna sneeze. sniffling tease. Oh, boy, I think I'm gonna
I love singing, don't you? And I also love drawing. So let's carry on and finish this one. Okay.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
I love art so much. Wow, that one came out really good. I think I'm finished. Are you finished, little artists? Are you really happy with how yours came out? I bet it looks great, but it's a little bit black and white. Oh, I know. Let's add some color.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Oh boy, that was fun. Doesn't it look good now it's got colour? Oh, I love colour.
See you next time.
We'll see you again soon.
Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed watching Artie's show, and we hope you come back again. Bye-bye for now, and always remember, have an Artie day. Bye.